Good afternoon everyone, and welcome to a beautiful afternoon in sunny Shropshire. So I'm on my second permission field today, part of which around the corner there is where I found the gold 1/3 guinea. Absolute little beauty, still can't get over that. I've only got about an hour or so, finished work, done a few jobs, just got an hour and a half. So I thought I'd just come and do this. I'm going to do down this side where the footpath used to be. Not too far, it's a long way. It's gone a bit breezy, so I'm sure I'll get some effect in the mic, so sorry about that. Got the Manticore, usual, pretty much stock settings. Going to have it on sensitivity 19. And we'll see how we go. Let's hope we get some luck and some treasure. Okay. Ground balance quite low today. Yeah, steady. And we're good to go. Put my gloves on at the first hole, which if it's anything like normal won't be very long. So I'm quite behind on video, so goodness knows when this one will actually be out. I'm sure it'll be 2 or 3 weeks after I've been here. I'm a bit behind. I'm getting the videos done, lots of the stuff that's been going on. That's a very faint one, isn't it? And that's right up there. Okay. That one's right on the line now. Bobby Dazzler, 53, 54, very consistent, 46 inches on the line. Beauty. What's 53? Halfpenny. Oh, it's quite small actually. Quite small and a bit of a wonky angle, so not sure now. Right, let's get the gloves on. I said it wouldn't be long, didn't I, before I got the first hole. We've done all of 15 yards. $54. What's 54? Could be Tom back. Could be a coin. Don't know if that threepenny bit was a 54 the other day. It's right there now. It's gone a bit blobby. But hey, it's detecting. It's a beep. All beeps are good beeps. Here somewhere, and we're straight in with a coin. Oh my goodness, Mr. Manticore. I'm not sure if that's a coin or a token actually. So having put the gloves on, they're coming straight off again, and we want the softest brush. This new one's quite nice actually. It's actually a brush for what do they call them? Retainers, for people with have had the teeth corrected. Not going to get much off this, I don't think. Actually, it's pretty toasted, quite thin, very thin. That'll be a halfpenny. I'd have thought George III. I'd be very surprised if you get anything off that, even with, as they say, the bendy thumbs. Spoilt me now getting the coin in the first 10 seconds. I expect it all the way down the field now, aren't I? So 36 on the line, 35, 36, very consistent. I'm going to call coin on that one as well. Lower number than the last one. Right in there. Still going to call coin. Can we really have the first two holes both as coins in the first few minutes of being here? Do a nice deep plug. Ooh. Oh. Okay, in that case, it's some rubbish near the top again. So what's that going to be? Because it's nearer the top of the plug. Is it right near the top? No. This is going to be another one of those that's almost impossible to find. I had a few of these off this field where there's such tiny little bits you can't pin them down, and we have to go for the classic detector method to find out where they are. Need to take that into another half, really. Okay, so it's not in any of them. Spade out the way, detector. Where's that? Something small and on its side, I think. Okay, so it's right in the top of that one. Okay, it's right up here. There it is. There it is. Almost too small to even see. I'll have to take my gloves off to even get the box ready, because this is the sort that you drop and it disappears. There you go. It's like a clothing stud. Teeny weeny little thing. Power of the manticore. That undoubtedly is foil. Right there, not very deep. I pinpoint it first in case it's on the top. Now, occasional odd thing that pings up the same. Is that still in there? Seriously? So that's either a 2-2 shell, or one day I'm going to get lucky. It's actually going to be a hammered one day. It's quite deep though, but I guess fields do get ploughed. A little bit off centre. Actually quite a ping to it now, considering the depth. Unless this is something else. Seems more off centre than I expected. Foiled again. Yes, I'm about 4 videos behind in production at the moment. It's a little bit all over the place, that. If it's small, it's about there. It is saying fairly deep, so with a variation I'd say it's a button because of the different materials for the clasp part, but because of the depth you could still call in on this one and see if the signal improves now the top's off. It's still down there. It's actually got worse, but 2 materials, so I'm still inclined to call button on that one, or some sort of artifact that has 2 materials. Bang in the middle. Oh, is it in there? I just scooped it out now. No, it's still a couple of inches down yet then. Unless I've scooped one out. No. Pretty deep then. Mr. Manticle's taking us deep today. Still deeper. Okay, slightly off that way and I sort of tipped it out. Oh, hang on. It's here. Whatever it is old and maggoty. It's another one of them buttons, you know. The last one was the right mess. I don't know if whatever it is with their design just doesn't stand up to anything. Whether someone's deliberately damaged them before they've gone in. But it's the same GWR or something. Exactly what I had last time. Yeah, there you go. GWR. That's the second button off here now, and you're getting the high readings. Yeah, you see the back's coming away. It's still got its clasp on as well. Maybe just hit by the player then, considering how deep it is. But yeah, exactly the same as I had last week. Pretty sure that was last week I had that, exactly the same. So looks like GWR, and of course GWR is Great Western Railways, but it may just be the initials of a local family, I guess. Okay, haven't had a 7680 for a while. What's that? Big George III penny. Doubting it. Feeling more like aluminium can. Prefer George III penny. Don't think it's high enough for silver. Be in the clod. Let's have a clod shot. Deep one. It's gone up 79 to 81 now. Right here, it's nearly silver then. It wasn't high enough for silver because it's only 50%, but it is a 50%, and it's the George VI florin, or 2 shillings. Oh, it's a beauty as well. Look at that, what a little beaut. Gently ease that off. Look at that beauty. George VI, 1937. Now, is this going to be a florin or is it going to be 2 shillings? It's going to be 2 shillings. Shall I give it a spray? It's 50%. It's got a little nick in the top. I don't think that was me. But it is a little bobby dazzler, isn't it? Look at that. Absolute beauty. What have we got there? 47, 45, bit scratchy. Sort of buttonish again with materials, but it might just be deep. Oh, it's quite small actually. It's about there. How deep's that? It doesn't look that deep. Yeah, definitely diggable. There have been fires and stuff down this side. A bit of possible metal work going on in ancient times. And it does produce some rubbish in amongst that. Bits of bronze and stuff. Still near the middle, but it's really scratchy and showing different signals, so it could be a button, or it could be something on the side, it could be a bit of coke. That's the stone. No. Or it could be a big bit of something bouncing an awful signal at me. Be big iron. Is it really that? I'm surprised at that. Must be the shape then. Must be the shape to ping that one off. I wouldn't have expected that to give that signal, unless it's bronze. Maybe it is. Whoa, rough signal. At times it's coming. At times it's coming like that 2 shilling. I'm going to dig it. Now what I was saying about not wasting your time when you've only got a couple of hours, but at the same time that's not certain enough not to dig that one. There's times when it actually sounds quite nice, and it may have some depth, it may be small, it may be on the side. Sounding better, but not a lot better. So let's see if we can pinpoint it. Might still be deeper. Slightly off this way, unless that's the second one, because it sounded like there was more than one target, which is making it more confusing. So that's the one, which I think is a nail, is it? Could do it, couldn't it? A big panhead nail like that. Potentially got some age to it, that has, actually. Right. I'm just going to do to the stinging nettles, because stinging nettles are always a really good sign. On the other hand, when you hit that light, unless it's big iron, you don't ignore that. It's a bit all sorts of signals there. So it sounds great, looks great, but looks great in too many different ways. So we'll see. Never know, might be a coin spill. Lots of different types of coins all in one hole. Oh God. Got everything there from a 2 to an 82. What on earth's in this? It's just a massive piece of iron. Absolute classic, absolute on your bucket list. Massive, heavy, really heavy. I'm thinking that's got to be solid brass or something. Furniture knob. Wow, that's a big piece of stuff that is. If I get through this without being stung, it'll be amazing. The trouble is I've got to dig that one. But it sounds too good. Not very deep either by the looks of it. There's that again. Right here. Not very deep. Maybe just a tin can or something, isn't it? That's why we've got stinging nettles growing here. Or a moo tube. It's a moo tube. So in the midst of stinging nettles, we have a 1920. Get it flat. Come on. It's about there. 19 or 20. 6 to 8 inches, I think. I have to do it a little bit wide because the angle of the ground and the grass here means that I could have been a bit off as I went in. Oh, there's some rubbish down here. That doesn't mean I've just been digging into detecting heavy iron. Down here it's not sounding quite so good anymore. Now we've got the top off. Pretty much in the middle. Try and bring it out carefully. Oh, easier said than done. Right in the middle here somewhere. Let's come out then. Got more foil. Blew up my neck. Yeah, it's jumping in the bag itself. It knows it's time to go. Yeah, I'll just leave it to it. It knew where to go. Wish they got a coating on that to bang those numbers out. Some funny numbers and a bit splodgy. What? So it's right there. Well, it could be on the side, it could be deep, which I don't think it is. Could be another hook. Could be more rocks down here. Big rock. And now it doesn't want me to dig it anymore. So now it says it's rubbish. So you might as well see what it was. These rocks though, these aren't part of a building, I don't know what ever was. Look at that. There's got to be stuff down here. at it. Actually, I'll take that any day. That looks like a big bit of bronze pot or something, that does. Yeah, it's got the shape to have been a pot. The edge on the bottom here, look. Wow, I like that. I like that a lot. That one sounds alright. How deep? Relatively. Maybe that's another bit of pot. Oh, blimey, it's more rock. It's solid in this rock. So whatever was here, that's quite a substantial bit of building. But I am convinced buildings over this land, the LiDAR just shows so much going on. 55, bleeding up a bit now though. Not very far down there. Let's switch him out carefully then. Do that. It's one of those ancient nails that pings up a tree. It actually looks bronze inside, look, it doesn't look iron at all. Where's that? Come on. It's right there. I think it's rubbish, but due to my hunch on this bit, I'm just going to dig it. So I'm going to let Mr. Manticore tell me not to, and I'm going to do it anyway. Totally shouldn't dig this one now. It's completely told me it's bad. Which is fine. It's what I expected. You can see the rust right there. Ball bearing, rusty ball bearing. Well, that's a nice one. Very deepish. And my coil's at an angle again, because you've got the angle of the ground. It's very difficult to know where to dig. Lovely signal now, 60. What's the 60 then? Penny? A bit high, could be early penny. It's just over there. That's what I'm saying about the angle of the ground, isn't it? Hey up. What did I say, Roy? Did I say a penny? Did I say a penny? Looks like George V. Right. Britannia. Let's see if we can get a date, which I expect to be 1910, which it is, to make it George V, which it will be. I don't want to rub it too much and let it dry out. Just get that bit that says Georgius V, George V. Did I call a penny then? I think I may have done. A lot of rats around here by the looks of it, or mice. A bit big for mice, I'm guessing rats. Oh, yeah, there's one. Just came to see me. Run away now. Right. More time than I expected. Been alright. Nice to finish it off with a nice penny, wasn't it? Cracking 2 shilling. Absolutely stonking 2 shilling. Beautiful condition. Some coins, some bits. Brass doorknob. Doesn't look like we finished yet. It is there. Thought there's another one here. Okay, gonna have to dig that one. Come on, give me a line. Oh. Yeah, right. Depth, deepish. Not holding my breath on this one. Deepish. It's quite clayey here. Getting near the top field, which is very clayey. Not so many rocks though. Still completely convinced there's a settlement down the bottom there, or has been. Two different materials, but one shown right across to the right. So it could be, based on Mr. Manticore, could be a livery button. Oh gosh, it's deeper yet then. Not even there yet, am I? It is in there, isn't it, still? So you know it's given a 92. That's our silver numbers, so I'm going to have to be careful with this. Try and go nice and wide. Really wide if I can. Again, the angle of the ground here makes all of this quite difficult. Get scared that you're going to just trash some beautiful piece of silver. What? Can't be that deep, can it? Let's see how reactive my pinpointer is. And it's not in there, and I haven't just detected that. No. Wow, what? Right, off that side a bit then, and down there. It'd be nice if a little bit of silver pops up at the end to finish the day off, wouldn't it? It's gone now, so it must have come out. Is it foil? Is it blooming foil? After all that, it's a bottle cap of some sort. Yeah, nice as it be to be a gold noble, it's a cap. Well, that definitely makes it time to go home, doesn't it? When you do that much work for a bottle cap. There we go, people. Nice couple of hours. Should have been an hour and a half, but nice couple of hours. Hope you've enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit the bell so you know next time I'm out. And I'll catch you next time. Thanks for joining me. Bye all.